Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5s, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles straight from the top of the screen, just to swipe down, extend the list, and somewhere between here you should be able to locate a power saving one meaning toggle. So if it's not on the first page, just swipe between the pages and it looks like it's right here, called battery saver. Once you see it, simply tap on it, and as you can see, that's it. It's now enabled. It fills up the outline of the battery in a different color just to signify that it is right now enabled. And additionally, you will probably experience some weirdness with your mobile and Wi-Fi data, meaning your device might not be updating with the internet as often as it did before to preserve battery life. So because of that, you might experience some delays or just complete non-deliveries of messages that you normally would get, which is just caused by the power saving mode. Now once you're done with that, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it, and as you can see, it is now disabled. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.